Good morning, Year 10. I had a friend contact me the other day who wanted to buy her own beauty salon. She'd narrowed it down to two salons. She sent me some data through, and we need to use this information and our knowledge of statistics to help her decide which salon might be the best one to purchase. You need to justify your answer. You're going to present your results to the class using a PowerPoint, and you're going to be prepared to answer any questions about your data. Here's the information. The table's telling us how many number of clients came to the salon each week, and this data goes for 15 weeks. So we had Salon A in week 1, had 50 people. In week 2, it had 52. In week 3, it had 45. And you can see Salon B, 26 people in week 1. What are we going to do to help us make our decision? Firstly, you need to complete a dot plot for both Salon A and Salon B. And you need to comment on the distribution of the data. It could be symmetrical, positively skewed. Exercise 1206, page 204, is going to help us for this. Task 2, you'll need to complete a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. And also try and make a comment on the distribution of the data. For the back-to-back stem and leaf plot, you might like to use the video link.
So let's say we'll put the females on the left side. Plot. What this allows you to do is compare two different sets of data together at the same time. So a back-to-back stem and leaf plot, I'm going to scroll this up a little bit. For this example, we're comparing female
to help you. Exercise 1207 will also help you. You're going to need to record some of this information in your reference book. So page 246, in your reference book, you will need to write the title, let me know what a back-to-back stem and leaf plot does, and have a look at example 8 and copy it down. Back-to-back allows us to compare two sets of data, and that's what we're doing with our salons, comparing two sets of data. The third thing you need to do is to find the mean, mode, median and range for both salons. We've talked about this and there've been both notes provided. As an extension, some of you might like to try using Excel. And I've just started here, the weeks, the salons. There's the information. And we'll talk about how you might use some of the formulas to help find the average. The final thing for this is you're going to write a comment on what measures aren't going to help your decision and provide me with reasons. I've prepared a PowerPoint for you to help with some sense and starters, and I really want both students to be prepared to answer the questions. So the PowerPoint will start with an introduction. We'll have a dot plot for Salon A, a dot plot for Salon B, your back-to-back stem and leaf plot, comparing the data. Click to add, so Salon A, mean. This is only a suggestion, but salon conclusion. I would purchase, make your decision, because the mean is whatever, which is much higher in comparison with Salon B. This means that it has, furthermore, the median is the back-to-back stem and leaf plot shows something. You might have other sentence starters, but you need to justify your answer. Good luck. There could be some road bumps along the way. Be prepared.